So hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Sumo Rock Luna, and for today's video guys, we will be reviewing this awesome Dragon Ball PVC statue action figure which is made by Banpresto. So this video guys is sponsored by B-Toys Official, as you can see right in front of your page. So please do check out his Facebook page. Napaka-solid guys. Thank you Sir JB ng B Official Toys sa sponsor ninyong Dragon Ball Z Goku figure. Alright. So guys, this one, just to give you some insight. So napakatagal na itong figure nito, and I was not expecting to find this magnificent PVC statue na Goku, kasi bihira ko siyang makita actually sa market nowadays. So this one is released in 2009, and guys, be mindful as well guys, just for your information guys, Banpresto released this PVC statue actually in Japan as a Japanese arcade price. So basically pwede to sa mga claw machine. Idea ko lang to but you can correct me if I'm wrong sa mga viewers natin from Japan as well. So pwede kasi sa mga arcade, sa mga claw machine, or yung mga ticket na arcade games na you will get a ticket from a particular arcade game, and then parang sa time zone na you will replace the ticket with a particular figure depending dun sa parang price or yung amount ng figure na same amount dun sa ticket na kailangan mong i-replace, diba, para makuha mo yung figure. So ito siya guys, napakadami niya. I think this one is from 1 out of 30. So ito, number 1 siya. Ito siya. Ito yung Banpresto Dragon Ball Z HSCF or High Spec Coloring Figure kung tawagin nila. Ito yung series nila na rinelease ni Banpresto noong 2009. So ito siya. Wala na kasi yung box niya guys. Sad to say, na damage siya. So I need to throw it over. And research ko na lang via Google yung mga itsura nila. So ang daming figure from Vegeta, Goku, Cell, and then yung Super Saiyan niya, pati sila Nappa, Mr. Satan, ayan, ang dami, pati sila Trunks kasama, pati din si Gogeta, ayan. Sobrang dami guys. So hindi ko expected na makakahanap tayo, at sa B-Toys Official lang kay Sir JB siya na nakakuha tayo ng item na to. So kaya ako naghanap, bigyan ko lang kayo ng backstory dahil nga nagkaroon tayo ng signed na poster by Ronin Panda and para kay Goku ng Pinas na kay Sir Jeff. So for me, dahil meron na akong PVC statue na Goku na Super Saiyan 4, naghanap ako ng regular version lang, but I did not expect na makakakuha ko ng maliit. So guys, this is a 4.6 inches tall na PVC statue figure. Ayan, kung titingnan nyo guys, napakaganda ng details, to be honest. Tingnan nyo naman So this one guys, para siyang, ito yung Goku na hindi pa siya nagsusuper saiyan kumbaga. Normal variant niya to, kung titingnan nyo, di ba? Ganda detalyado. At yung paint details niya guys, na pagkakagawa, tignan mo, may mga shadowing pa sa clothes, even sa neckline, tignan mo, like the sunlight is above him. Kung titingnan mo siya, based dun sa shadowing, dun sa figure na to, ayan, Ganda guys. Ano naman Akala nyo nasunog siya, hindi. Shadowing details lang yan. Pero at the back as well. As in, yung araw kasi, kumbaga, kung titingnan mo, yung araw nakatutok sa figure or sa yung gumawa nito, yung idea is yung araw nakatutok above the main figure or the character. Ayan, oh, diba? So, ang angas. Kaya ako nakita to, sabi ko, ganda nito. Bagay to doon sa poster na na-acquire ko kay Sir Jeff na ginawa ni Ronin Panda. So, ayan. Saktong-sakto. At saka hindi na niya kailangan ng foot support. It can stand alone as you can see naman earlier. Oh, ganda guys, oh. And this is authentic guys. And ayan ang kanyang kumbaga, ayan oh. Yung detail sa back right butt cheek ng figure, dito nakalagay kung kailan siya ginawa. Ayan oh, BP Band Presto. Actually, 2008 pa siya, oh, yung nakalagay dito. Pero ito ay release ng 2009. Ayan, oh, naman. Ganda, di ba? 2008 pa. China, di ba? So, ayan guys. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable and mahilig kayo sa anime, visit nyo lang ang Be Official Toys sa Facebook. Nagla-live selling siya. Napakasulit. So, thank you Sir JB sa napakaangas na Band Presto high spec coloring figure na Dragon Ball. So, ayan guys. So, napaka-limited na natin makakakita tayo ng ganito guys. To be honest, to goodness, napakahirap nang makahanap or makakuha ng ganito unless pupunta ka mismo sa Japan para mag-hunt nito. And kung ikay collectible ng minifigs lang, pasok to. And kung Goku Shriner ka, this is a must-have. Or a Dragon Ball Shriner, this is a must-have on your collection. Okay? So again, hope you enjoy this quick toy review of our Band Presto high-spec coloring figure na Goku number 1. Alright, so again, kita-kits ulit sa susunod natin na toy review. This is Sumarock Luna. Thank you for watching and please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, and as well in Instagram and YouTube for more toy unboxing and review. Okay? So, Sumarock Luna out. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Okay? Ciao! Bye-bye! Hanggang sa muli, mga bata! Paalam!